It's hot, but everyone is excited about the finals of Ramadan Cup Under 13. And this is one of the longest running tournaments in this country, initiated by one and only cricket promoter Sheshad Altaf, who has been running this tournament for ages, if I can remember, since probably 2008-9, right? And he has been promoting cricket in this part of the world and immensely, and giving opportunities for youngsters to come and play in these beautiful grounds, and also playing against some of the top quality teams in the country as well, right? Uh, I would like to introduce our podium today. With me, we have Mr. Ramesh Ramakrishnan, and he's good promoter of cricket and director of Leap Sports, who has been supporting Desert Cubs and all the other academies in UAE for a longer period. Then we have Dr. Vivek Bakshi, entrepreneur, philanthropist, and also hotelier, who is now director of YTCA. And he has joined hands with Sheshad and Mr. Thakur, and also with Desert Cubs, to promote cricket and provide opportunities for kids to play this beautiful game and enjoy. Then we have Dr. Vidya Vinod, owner of Dow Green Private School, and also AXA Medical University. Exxon Medical University. And sorry about it, because handwriting. Probably very soon we will have a center there at Dow Green School with all the facilities like turf wickets and high performance center. It's a beautiful place located in DIP area, so it will be catering for the kids who are in Jebel Ali and DIP area as well. Then we have Mr. Sheshad Altaf. I don't need to mention anything about Sheshad. No need. So I'm skipping that part. Everybody knows who is Sheshad. We have Mr. and Mrs. Thakur. Unfortunately, they are not on the podium. Probably they are coming here. Mr. Thakur has been another cricket promoter, providing good facilities for youngsters and seniors to come and play this beautiful game. And way back during our playing time, we had only Sharjah Stadium and also 2 grounds in Dubai to play cricket. And now, if you talk about UAE, probably having more number of grounds than some of the test playing countries in the world. So that is a big achievement. And these type of cricket promoters are very important to bring this game forward and provide opportunities for youngsters. Then we have Mr. Nikhil, CFO of Dove Green International Private School, and also today we have Mr. Mohammad Tawqir, former UAE national captain, and who has been supporting and promoting this game with Desert Cubs to reach out the youngsters. I would like to say about junior cricket in this part, right? Okay, I have been playing cricket since 1994, probably at the same time of Mr. Tawqir, and also running cricket and coaching cricket since 2005, 2006 time. We have seen a major development in junior cricket. Those days I can remember when Desert Cup started. Before our first tour of 2008 to Sri Lanka and Malaysia, we had the opportunity only to play one game before the tour. Now the number of games that you guys are playing these days, it's amazing. Every day there's a game. But at the same time, I have seen some sort of development. But at the same time, I can see some lacking areas to be development, to be adhered, and to be respected as well. Remember, cricket is a team game. If you take it as an individual game, if you think of your success and your opportunities and what you do in the team, it'll not work in a team game. You need to understand what you have to do for the success of the team. You can even stay out, taking some water and cheering your team, giving good words, encouraging your teammates. Those type of things need to be implemented in UAE cricket. Everybody is playing their own game just to make sure I score 50 runs. Probably at the end of the day, I will get a man of the match trophy. But at the same time, are you thinking whether this 50 will be important for your team to achieve something? Whether this will helpful for your team to finish the game on the winning side? Those are very important. And whenever you bat, you have a partner. Whenever you bowl, you have fielders to field for you. You are not playing it alone, right? So when you are thinking also, you think in the same manner. We need to win this game. We need to win this tournament. We need to work hard for the success of the team. And if you start implementing these values in this game, I'm sure the game in UAE, junior cricket, will become much more beautiful, much more attractive, and will be useful for future generations as well, right? So I I congratulate winning team Sharjah for winning this tournament. They have been playing very well, and there are few top class players in this team. At the same time, JBS team coming up to the finals and giving a good fight. Reaching to the final, playing against top quality teams is an achievement, right? Okay, so you guys lost today, but make sure work on your areas, come back strongly, and to do better. Development, improvement, or achieving better things is like doing better than before. Always remember. It can be maybe 5%, 2%, 10%. It's up to the individual to do better than before. You can't compare yourself with somebody else. So if you do that, you will put immense pressure on your head, because every individual is created differently with different talent and different attitudes and a lot of things different. But if you try to beat your record in the next game, I'm sure without your knowledge, you will achieve a lot of things and you will end up at the winning side or recognized as a top player. So start doing that, right? Okay. So thank you very much. I would like to invite, right. First I'll invite Ramesh, then Vidya, right? Okay. I would like to invite Mr. Ramesh Ramakrishnan to say a few words. Ramesh?
Good evening, everyone. I don't want to take much time, but congratulations to the winning team. And there's no winner and losers because cricket is a game which will help you in all walks of life. For me, I head technology for an insurance company. Trust me, for me, every day is like a game of cricket because that's how I think. So what ideally this game does to you is make you good individuals, good human beings, stay committed, play the game, doesn't matter whether you win or lose. At the end of the day, how you shape up yourself as an individual does matter because Presley and the team are there to teach you about cricket. So I think you're in safe hands. Last but not the least, we're trying to see with IPL coming in to see if any of the players can stay back and do any camps. So we believe in getting the players to spend time with budding youngsters like you so that the exposure you get will be immense. So we will definitely work hard and work with Presley and Vivek and everyone to see you get access to some top legends. All the best, guys. Take care. Good luck.
Thank you very much, Ramesh. Now I would like to invite Dr. Vidya Vinod to say a few words. Doctor?
Yeah, thank you so much. I know you're all very tired. Thanks. Congratulations to the winning team. Congrats to you for making it to the finals. We represent, run higher education, schools. What we miss is, as you put in, the team spirit and how to excel in life. The academics wouldn't reach you wherever you want to, but whatever you're getting here will make your life fulfilling and satisfying. I'm so happy to see the kind of facilities and the kind of support that you get. Wishing you more good luck. And at the university, we always have sports scholarships. And we do not find in this part of the world many qualify for that. So I think that's a great opportunity for each one of you to aim higher, play as a team, and then live with cricket. You know, cricket is something that binds you, makes your life interesting. Good luck, and thanks for having me here. Thanks.
Thank you, Doctor. Now, Vivek, would you like to say a few words? Yeah. Time is less? All right, okay. So what we can do is, I know that you guys are tired. Let's start with the presentation ceremony. I would like to invite Mr. Ramesh Ramakrishnan to do the honor of giving the best bowler award of the tournament. Ramesh? Best bowler is also from Desert Cubs, a good leg spinner who has done very well for the team. It is Rishi Lakoj. Rishi is not here today. Anyone can take, who is there in the Jebel Ali area? Yeah. Aran take. Aran come. Aran take. Aran take. Yeah. 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 Take a picture. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Ramesh. I'll call you again to winners. Yeah? Now, next is man of the finals today. I would like to invite Thakur, right? Yeah, Mr. Thakur to give away this prize. Thakur. And man of the finals, I don't know who became man of the finals. I didn't check. Is it Namika? Is he deserving to get? Yes. All right. Namika Bentada. Good knockoff, 50 odd runs and 2 wickets. Well done, Namika. Thank you, Thakur. I would like to invite Dr. Vidya to give away the Best Batsman Award for the tournament. And this kid has been showing a lot of talent since he was 7-8-year-old player, and has come up in ranks, now playing in different leagues as well, and has done so much for Desert Cubs junior team success. Whenever he goes in, he's like a wall, and very difficult to break that wall. He's none other than Omar Tawqir. Thank you, Doctor. Yeah. Now we have Best Fielder Awards, and I would like to invite Mr. Mikhail. Sorry, Mr. Nikhil. Sorry, sir. I have to get used to his handwriting. Probably secretary reads well, not me. Yeah, Mr. Nikhil will give away this prize. And we have another talented kid from Desert Cubs JBS Center who has done well as a batsman, and also stay behind the wicket, and has done immense for the team's success. He is none other than Sarang Anil Kumar. Player of the tournament. I would like to invite Dr. Vidya to give away the player of the tournament. And there were two kids has been playing around in UAE for a long time. Wherever they go, they always put effort to make sure that the opposition will struggle to get them out, and will struggle to face their bowling, and will struggle to beat them. They have been very successful in their attempt. The elder kid is Tanish Suri. The younger one is Udesh, and Udesh has been playing well in this tournament. And I would like to invite Udesh to come and take this trophy from Dr. Vidya. Yeah. Yeah, now then you have to come. Yeah. I would like to invite Dr. Vivek Bakshi to say a few words. Doctor?
Good evening, young boys, and good evening, parents. I know you guys are in a hurry to grab the trophy. I'll not take much time. I just wanted to thank Ramesh, Ramesh Krishnan for supporting our tournament always. A great thank to Shazad sir and Presley. He's been organizing all the tournaments in last many years. So all the best to the winning team and all the best to the runner team also. End of the day, you lose, you win. That doesn't matter. Matter is how you play. You played well. Today you lose, tomorrow you win. So no worries on that. Have a good luck in future. God bless.
Thank you. Okay, now it's time to give away the big prizes of winners and runners up. And I would like to invite Ramesh Ramakrishnan from Leap Sports to give away the runners up trophy. And I would like to have captain last. Team can come here, get the medals. Yeah, come, Ramesh. Keep this one and we'll give the medal. Captain, come last. You have to say a few words. Be ready for that. Both the teams. Yeah, this team first. Yeah. JBS team, can I have you guys? Yeah. Son, come from this side and join. Go there. Come quickly, guys. It's too late. Tomorrow is a school day. Bad luck today. Yeah. Okay, I have the captain of JBS team. Sarang, would you like to say a few words about the tournament and about your team? Right?
Today was a very interesting match. Didn't go our way, but first, before all of that, I thank Coach Hashan and Coach Presley for bringing us into this tournament. And it was a very good performance from SES. They got us in the batting, and then their batting was also very good. We had some points to improve on, and we'll improve on the next tournament. Thank you.
Well done, son. All the best to you. You can take the trophy. You can take the trophy, and team can come here and take a picture. Yeah. Now wait. We have to take a picture with the captain. Okay, full team come. Please join us. Everybody take a picture. Yeah. Six kids sitting. Six sitting. Smaller ones sitting. And others can stand behind. Kneel down. Okay, here. Sorry. Ramesh, come. Yeah. Hashan? Right. Okay, guys. Come on, guys, smile. Thank you. Okay, now we will invite. No, we. You have written and given me.
No, it's not written. So just announce one.
Only this.
Who is the master blaster? Master blaster is this very?
Yeah.
So that's the one.
One is Tauki. These are the two guys.
No, is the best wicket keeper and master blaster. This very is the best master blaster will be given by Shazad.
Yeah.
And
Children, stay here. Still not finished. Where? Hashan, ask them to stay here. Hashan. Master Blaster. Another award will go to. Yeah. I would like to invite Mrs. Thakur to the stage. Savita. Savita ka. Yeah. We have a Master Blaster award, and that award will go to none other than Uday Suri. Thank you, Savita. Yeah. I would like to invite no. I would like to invite Mr. Vivek Bakshi and Vidya. Both. Which one? Who is the best to get? No, he got a vote, right? Sarah? Yeah, leave it. Yeah. To do the honors of giving the winners trophy. And can I have the Sharjah team captain last? Please come. Yumika, keep on coming, come on. I'm joining you. Remove that and come. Otherwise, I'm not going to be there. Take a picture. Go to our group, Okay, I would like to request Omar to say a few words. JBS team, Hashan, can you ask them to come and stand here, please? Parents, still it is not finished. Let the children stay here.
First of all, I would like to thank Shazad sir for organizing this wonderful tournament. And secondly, congratulations to the JBS team for reaching the finals and giving us a good fight. Luckily, we were able to make a comeback in the start with our bowling. And inshallah, boys played well.
Allah Omar. Let him take a picture. Say Shatka. Hashan. Can I have the full team here? Full team, come on. Come on. I need 6 guys in front to sit. 6 guys. Come on. Otherwise difficult. Yeah. Put your hands up. Victory sign. Everybody, come on. Yeah, victory sign. All of you guys. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray!